This is Sarah Junick with Drilling Contractor. Today I'm at the 2019 IADC World Drilling Conference in Milan. I'm with Scott Aiken. He's the CEO of CPulse. Scott, thanks for being with us today.
Good morning, Sarah. Thank you for the opportunity to meet with you.
Can you tell us a little bit about CPulse?
So thank you, Sarah. Yes, CPulse is a global offshore explorer. We have built a portfolio of 180 prospects over the last 6 years, and over the next 2 years we will drill our 12 highest graded prospects, and we'll test those, which totals about 5 billion barrels of oil equivalent across 6 different countries that will be tested.
What is behind the company's exploration strategy?
Our exploration strategy is based on having a basin master approach to each of the individual basins in which we are going to drill and test and explore. And in each of those basins we have got the largest amount of 2D or 3D seismic of any participant, and that gives us a good position, a number 1 or 2 position in each of those basins from which to understand and high grade the geological features and the generating drill ready prospects. The second part of our strategy is that we recognise this as a high risk sector in which we're operating in terms of commercial chance of success. So we have built a large portfolio, and we're going to drill a large amount of exploration wells to give us higher ultimate chance of success of having at least 1, 2, 3 or 4 successes within the drilling campaign. So 12 wells will be drilled. If we have at least 1 success, that would pay for the entire cost of the drilling program.
Tell us about a few of your highest priority exploration programs.
Thank you. Well, we are passionate about the entire portfolio, and we recognise we cannot guarantee success in any individual well within the portfolio, but some particular highlights to contrast the portfolio would be in the North Sea. So that's a mature basin, a well understood petroleum system where we have an excellent set of data, and we've high graded 3 prospects there. We're drilling one prospect which offsets the largest discovery in the North Sea for the last 8 years, which CNOOC discovered in the first quarter of this year. So that's an exciting prospect for us. At the other end of the prospect portfolio, we have frontier basins such as South Africa, Southern Africa, where we have a number of targets there, and we were very encouraged by the billion barrel oil equivalent discovery by Total earlier this year. So it's going to be, we can't guarantee where, if any, there will be successes, but we're going to drill some very interesting large scale prospects in areas where other explorers are having success at the moment.
So what results are you seeing from your alliance with Maersk Drilling?
Well, already we're seeing a great commitment from the top of the company, from the shareholders and the board, through the entire organisation, including the marketing department and the engineering department, operations department, rig managers who've got great enthusiasm and passion for this alliance, because we have taken a leap of faith, it's certainly quite forward-leaning within the industry, of having Maersk Drilling as our one-stop shop deliverer of the entire well scope, including all the subcontractors. And we're also sharing the risks and the rewards in a very high ratio way with Maersk Drilling. That means our success will be their success financially and operationally. And we're also seeing the results of their having a fleet-wide approach, that we're able to have a large portfolio with wide drilling slots, which means we can slot our wells either in parallel or in sequence with existing other operators' programs, eliminating mobilizations, or we can sequence our own wells so that we can drill 2, 3, 4, as many as 5 wells in a row, and eliminating again mobilization and high utilization of the drilling rigs and the subcontractor scopes as well.
Thanks again, Scott, for being with us today.
Thank you very much, Sarah.
And thank you for watching drillingcontractor.org.